Alright guys, so forget touching the keyboard as your computer can do way more than you think, and in this video I will reveal the secret computer setting that can make your work faster, smarter and almost hand-free. So once you know this hidden feature, you will say, I don't even need my keyboard anymore for typing. And basically what we are going to do exactly, instead of manually typing from the keyboard, we can use the voice typing. So if you have something to write, if you already have some kind of a script, you just need to read it and it will automatically write down for you each and everything. Now what you have to do, from your keyboard, you will have to press Windows and H key and you will be getting this kind of box here. Now by default it says to use voice typing, select the text from then try again. Now before using it, as it won't be working, you can see I'm speaking but nothing is happening. Now you will have to make two simple settings. Here on the very left of the mic, you will find the settings icon. You will have to click on it. And it says voice typing launcher. So you will have to enable it. Below it says select default microphone and you have to select your microphone, whichever you have connected to. On my end, I'm using the microphone, USB condenser microphone, so I will select it. But you will have to choose your own earphone, headphone, mic, whatever you are using. Alright, so just hover up on select default microphone and choose the right one. Alright, after enabling this, now you also need to make sure that this voice typing is being enabled from the setting. So just right click on the Windows icon, go to settings. Here from the left hand side, you will have to click on privacy and security. And then you have to look for the speech, click on it. And make sure this option has been enabled. Alright, so that's it. Now you can close it. And this time if you press Windows and the H key, so it will come up. And in order to start the typing, you will have to just click on this mic icon and the typing will be started. So let me bring up a Word document here. Alright, so I will start the typing here. Now instead of manually typing, whatever I have to type, my own words, my own thoughts, or if I have any kind of a script or any document, I can read it now. Now, for example, for the demonstration, what I will do, let me open that box again by pressing the Windows and H key. And then I will click on the mic icon. Hey everyone, welcome back. So this is a voice typing test. I'm just typing here to find out that how effectively this works. And I don't have to use my keyboard. So I'm just making a small test. And bingo. So I just stop the mic here and you can see, hey everyone, welcome back. So this is a voice typing test. I'm just typing here to find out that how effectively this works. I don't have to use my keyboard. So I'm just making a small test. Exactly, without making any kind of mistake, it wrote whatever I wish to. Correct? Similarly, you also have to go through with this. Whatever you want to write, just speak and it will write automatically for you. And then accordingly, you can adjust it, like you have to make it bold, from where you have to change the paragraph. That work basically you can do manually. So very useful guys, and this will surely ease your work. And now you can smartly do your work. Now, you know, this is not something new, but yes, many people are still not aware of it. And if you are also not aware about it, then you should know. And from the next time, instead of manually typing, you should use this method. And hopefully you like the video guys, and if yes, please hit the like, subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.